day at the Mud Mechanic. A few years ago, I bought these two Suzuki Eigers. One of them's a 2005, the other one's a 2004. I got them really cheap because these are carbureted ones and nobody wants to work on carbureted stuff. Everybody wants fuel injection. So the 2005 had just about 400 miles on it, came with a snowplow, and I think I got that for $2,100. And this one is the 2004. It had 800 miles on it, and I got it for $1,800. And neither one of them ran very well when I got them. Went on Amazon, bought $60 carburetors, replaced them both. Now they run great, but unfortunately mine, the 2004, the starter is finally gone, so I'm going to be replacing a starter today. After I lift the seat up, you can see that a mouse or something's been in here, so lots of crud in here. And first thing I got to do is take off the battery post. Next thing I have to do, pop these little things off so I can get this cover off and get to the starter, which is right there. Okay, next I have to remove of wire and these tiny little bolts right there, and then the starter will slide out the other side. A few taps with the hammer, pops right out. Oh my goodness, isn't that the cutest little starter you ever did see? Hey, look at it. Oh, that's adorable. New starter is in, wires are hitched back up again. Cleaned out the little fuzz that was sitting in the valley. Now to hitch up the wires and test it out. And now we try it out. This poor thing hasn't been started in a long time, just sitting here in the barn. Not bad. $60 on Amazon. Turn like a kitten. And look, I got 998 miles on it now. Needs a bath. That happens when you store it in a barn. So that just goes to show you what you can do with a few dollars, a few simple hand tools, and some of the old machinery. Maybe it's time to go for a ride.